What if I told you that nature has created creatures so strange, so impossible that even scientists said this shouldn't exist, yet somehow they do. And today we are stepping into a world where evolution breaks its own rules. Let's begin. Meet the axolotl, the Peter Pan of the animal kingdom, because this creature never becomes an adult ever. While every living thing grows, transforms, evolves, the axolotl simply refuses. It stays in its baby form for its entire life. But here's the part that truly shouldn't exist. If an axolotl loses its leg, it grows it back. If it damages its spine, it repairs it. If it injures its heart, it regenerates that too. A living creature with a built-in rest button. If that is not impossible, what is? Deep in the ocean drifts a tiny creature no bigger than your nail. Yet it has done something no human has ever achieved. When its body weakens, when it is injured, or when life pushes it too close to death, it goes back to being a baby. This jellyfish transforms its adult cell back into a young one's, like hitting undo on aging. Death comes for everything, but this creature simply refuses to accept it. A biological time loop that shouldn't exist, but does. When the first scientists saw a platypus, he thought it was a joke, a stitched together mix of animals. A mammal that lays eggs, a duck's bill on a furry body, and venom in its heel. Every rule that defines an animal, the platypus breaks it. Yet it thrives. It hunts with electricity, it swims with perfect precision. And it reminds us that nature doesn't care what makes sense. It only cares what survives. And then there's this creature. So unrare, so delicate, it looks handcrafted. The leafy sea dragon, a fish disguised as floating seaweed. It doesn't swim fast, it doesn't fight, it doesn't hide in caves. It survives by doing the impossible, by convincing the ocean that it's not even there. A living illusion, a ghost drifting through underwater forest. These four creatures, they break rules, they challenge science, they bend reality, and they remind us of one simple truth. In nature, the impossible is not rare, it's everywhere. You just have to look closely enough. This is Ecoville, and the world is far stranger than we think.